Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's shadowing practice. I'm here to help you master 10 incredibly useful English phrases that native speakers use every single day. What makes today special? We're not just learning phrases. We're learning them in real conversations, real situations. By the end of this video, these phrases will feel natural rolling off your tongue. Here's how shadowing works. First, you'll hear each phrase in a short dialogue. Then, I'll break it down and you'll repeat after me. Focus on the rhythm, the intonation, the natural flow. Don't worry about perfection. Worry about progress. Are you ready to sound more natural in your daily English conversations? Let's begin. Dialogue 1. Meeting a friend. Hey, Mike. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. Just finished work. How about you?
Can't complain. Want to grab some coffee? Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. How's it going? How's it going? This is a casual way to ask how are you? Perfect for friends, coworkers, or anyone you know well. How's it going? Dialogue 2. Running behind schedule. Sorry, I'm late for the meeting.
No problem. What happened?
I'm running late because of traffic. It won't happen again.
These things happen. Let's get started.
Let's practice together. I'm running late. I'm running late. Much more natural than saying I am late. This phrase shows the situation is ongoing. I'm running late. Dialogue 3. Asking for help.
This box is really heavy.
Need some help?
Could you give me a hand? I need to move it upstairs.
Of course. Let me grab one end. Now repeat after me. Could you give me a hand? Could you give me a hand? This is a friendly, polite way to ask for help. Much better than just saying, help me. Could you give me a hand? Dialogue 4. Promising to respond later. When can you send me those documents?
I need to check with my team first.
No rush.
I'll get back to you by tomorrow afternoon.
Let's practice. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Perfect for when you need time to find an answer or make a decision. I'll get back to you. Dialogue 5. Asking for someone's opinion. I'm thinking about changing my hairstyle.
Oh, really?
What do you think? Should I go shorter?
I think it would look great on you.
Repeat with me. What do you think? What do you think? Simple, but essential for getting opinions and starting discussions. What do you think? Dialogue 6. Showing understanding.
The meeting got moved to 3 p.m. because the conference room was double booked.
Oh, that makes sense. I was wondering why my calendar changed.
Yeah, these things happen sometimes.
Now practice. That makes sense. That makes sense. Use this when you understand someone's explanation or reasoning. That makes sense. Dialogue 7. Expressing doubt.
This software will solve all your problems instantly.
I'm not sure about that. Can you show me some examples?
Absolutely. Let me demonstrate.
Let's repeat. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. A polite way to express disagreement or skepticism without being rude. I'm not sure about that. Dialogue 8. Ending the workday. It's 6 p.m. already. This project is taking forever.
We've made good progress today.
You're right. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow.
Sounds good to me.
Practice with me. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Perfect for suggesting it's time to stop working or end an activity. Let's call it a day. Dialogue 9. Showing gratitude.
I picked up your packages while you were away.
Oh, wow. I appreciate it. That was really thoughtful.
No problem at all. We look out for each other here.
Now repeat. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. More heartfelt than just thanks. Shows genuine gratitude. I appreciate it. Dialogue 10. Being patient.
I'm sorry. I'm having trouble understanding this concept.
That's perfectly fine. Take your time.
Could you explain it once more?
Of course. Let's go through it step by step. Final practice. Take your time. Take your time. Use this to show patience and reduce pressure on someone. Take your time. Now let's review all 10 phrases together. Listen and repeat each one. How's it going? I'm running late. Could you give me a hand? I'll get back to you. What do you think? That makes sense. I'm not sure about that. Let's call it a day. I appreciate it. Take your time. Incredible work today. You've just practiced 10 phrases that will make your English sound more natural and fluent. These aren't just words, they're keys to better conversations. Here's your challenge. Try to use at least 3 of these phrases in real conversations this week. Notice how native speakers respond. Notice how much more natural you sound. Remember, fluency isn't about knowing every word in the dictionary. It's about using the right words at the right time. And now you have 10 powerful phrases to do exactly that. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in your progress. Every phrase you master brings you one step closer to confident, natural English. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep those conversations flowing.